हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम एसएससी में पूछे गए नेशनल इनकम ऑफ इंडिया के टॉप 35 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे रहता है, जिसका आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना होता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नेशनल इनकम इज, एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज नेट नेशनल प्रोडक्ट एट फैक्टर कॉस्ट। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, the net value of GDP after deducting depreciation from GDP is, and the correct answer is net domestic product. Third question, economic growth is usually coupled with, and the correct answer is inflation. Fourth question, which of the following is a nodal institution for implementation of sustainable development goals in India? And the correct answer is Niti Aayog. Fifth question, which of the following indicators is not used to calculate Human Development Index? And the correct answer is social inequality. Sixth question, the Human Development Index was first developed by which of the following? And the correct answer is UNDP. Seventh question, which of the following is the correct term for calculating national income at constant price? And the correct answer is real income. Eighth question, which of the following is a method to measure the national income? And the correct answer is all of the above, that is income method, product method and expenditure method. Ninth question, what is the consumption of fixed capital known as? And the correct answer is depreciation. 10th question, which of the following is another name for the average income of a country? And the correct answer is per capita income. 11th question, when the depreciation is deducted from the gross domestic product, the net value is known as? And the correct answer is net domestic product. 12th question, which of the following is not a method of estimating national income? And the correct answer is matrix method. 13th question, which of the following areas make the largest contribution to national income in India? And the correct answer is services. 14th question, national income of India is compiled by which institution? And the correct answer is Central Statistical Organization. 15th question, who estimated the national income for the first time in India? And the correct answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. 16th question, what is deducted from net national product to get national income? And the correct answer is indirect tax. 17th question, which of the following are studied under microeconomics? And the correct answer is single limited market. 18th question, the value of national income adjusted for inflation is called? And the correct answer is real national income. 19th question, which method is used to measure agriculture income in India? And the correct answer is output method. 20th question, which of the following are studied under macroeconomics? And the correct answer is economic growth of country. 21st question, per capita income is? And the answer is net national product upon total population. 22nd question, the Hindu rate of growth refers to the growth rate of? And the answer is national income. 23rd question. One of the problems in calculating national income in India is, and the answer is non-organized sector. 24th question. Base year in national income accounting means, and the correct answer is the year whose prices are being used to calculate the real GDP. 25th question. Which of the following is not included in India's national income calculation? And the answer is transfer payments. 26th question. The primary sector of the Indian economy mainly comprises, and the correct answer is agriculture. 27th question. The secondary sector of the Indian economy includes, and the correct answer is industries and manufacturing. 28th question. What is the financial year that is used for calculating national income in India? And the answer is April 1st to March 31st. 29th question. What is a factor that can heavily influence India's national income? And the answer is all of the above, that is monsoon season, international trade and government policy. 30th question. Which of the following is a component of the expenditure method for calculating India's GDP? And the correct answer is government spending. 31st question. What is a major challenge for the Indian economy regarding the distribution of national income? And the answer is high levels of income inequality. 32nd question. What is a key role of the Indian government in regards to national income? And the answer is to increase the rate of sustainable GDP growth. 33rd question. The impact of globalization on India's national income is reflected in, and the correct answer is increased exports of services and goods. 34th question. Which of the following is a key factor in determining the growth of the Indian economy's GDP? And the answer is the rate of domestic consumption. And the last 35th question. What is the effect of increased infrastructure spending on the Indian GDP? And the answer is increased GDP. तो ये थे नेशनल इनकम ऑफ इंडिया के टॉप 35 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज का क्वेश्चन ऑफ द डे है, व्हाट इज द की फैक्टर इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ द इंडियन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्टर्स जीडीपी। तो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट ऑप्शन आपको आंसर करना है कमेंट सेक्शन में।